Hi everybody, welcome to X1E. My name is Ralph. This is a 5-part video series about one of our builds. This is part 3, where we'll be assembling the components we tested in the previous part into their home and do some planning for the water cooling loop. On the weekend, we had a little accident while recording and have therefore decided to start recording somewhere else. As you might see, someone didn't make the Kessel run in less than 12 parsecs. But back to the build now. As I said, this is part 3, and if you missed any of the previous parts, you can find them on the channel's YouTube site. A proper website for the channel is in progress and hopefully coming soon. We'll join Anselm for the nitty-gritty on that in a future episode and keep you up to date on our progress. The main hardware of our build hasn't changed, and the water cooling components are ready to go. Let's see if our initial plans worked out. Enjoy the montage and see you afterwards. Hey, welcome back. I hope you liked that. I certainly did making it. That was it for this episode. Next time we're going to do some final assembly, fill our loop and take a look at the finished build. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please leave us a like if you did. And if you don't want to miss the next part or any of our future content, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time here at X1E.